Hi, this is Eric from Overpass. Now, one of the things we do with our clients is we have a project management system, kind of like Basecamp. We use Active Collab for all the management of our tasks and our projects. You'll be sent this if you're a client of ours, just kind of an introduction on how to use Active Collab and how to keep track of what we're doing. If you already know Active Collab, you don't need to view this, but if you don't, here's a quick overview. Okay, so when I send you a link with a login, you should be able to open it up and see something like this, a dashboard page. And here you'll see everything that's current in the project, just sort of a what's new and things that have been happening across all your projects. The likelihood is you have one, but if you do have more than one, you'll see them all on this one page. So you'll see here along the left, you'll see the home screen, which you're looking at now. You'll see the people, which will be basically all the Overpass developers, in case you wanted to get in touch with them. So here we go. And then you click on projects, you'll see all the current projects. Calendars will be all the milestones, or kind of like the key milestones in a calendar view. And in reports, you may or may not see any reports depending on what we grant you to see. So if I go to projects and I click on test project 1, which is a project we set up just to demo without giving away any other client information, and if I go into this, and you'll see like a dashboard view. So here you'll see the upcoming milestones, the recent activities, things like that. And across the top here, you'll see there's an outline of the project. So if I click on that, you'll see sort of the milestones, the key milestones of the project. Click on the milestones, you'll see milestones with a kind of a calendar view. So almost like a Gantt chart, but not as good as a Gantt chart. Tasks will be all the current tasks within the project. So and who's working on them. So here, everything you can see is assigned to me, which is typical. You see discussions. Now, depending on how easy it is to do sometimes with clients, what we'll do is keep all the discussions going through this system. That way we have a record of them. Sometimes it's easier just to do email. So it all depends. Discussions will be like discussions between the developers, or discussions between you and the developers. Things that we can keep track of that. Time and expenses. Here you can see how much time is being logged to each project and to each task, just to give you sort of an overview of what's going on. Of course, within Overpass we manage that ourselves, but there's nothing worse than waiting a week for an email or a daily email say how things are going. So that's why we make this available to you. Now, source is a big one. Now, depending on our contract, whether or not we deliver, we're delivering at the end, or whether or not you have access to the code throughout, we may give you access to this project source code. So you can just go in here and see. We use Subversion or Git for our projects. So the older stuff's in Subversion. We're trying to move more towards Git, but it all depends. But here you can see everything that's been checked in and what's been done. You can even look at the source code and see what's been changed from one project to the next. And then you got the Gantt chart view. And the Gantt chart view it's not as good as Microsoft Word, but it helps us keep track of who's working on what and what kind of deliverables we have and everything like that. So that's it. As an Overpass client, we'll give you access to this site if you want it. You can check it or not check it. It's not mandatory. We handle all the work on our side. So, but if we send you the link, this is how to use it. That's cool. I'm Eric, and look forward to working with you.